Hi, alright, so I'm going to show you now how to protect your site. Go govcontractjobs.com. Alright, so here we are, right? This is one of your pages that is unprotected. I'm using a different browser to show you these two things, so if I flip back and forth, you'll know why. So this is totally unprotected. And this is an example of a page that is protected. So it says job description. We can put any text we like here, and I will show you where that text is. Then these are automatic text, copy protected for gold members only. How to apply is a slightly different section of the template, so we have to protect that again. So that's why you get a double protection, and that's why we need to enter the code twice. But you see this text here? This is where perhaps you could change it to say you don't currently have access, but this is how you get access, and then you could have maybe a few lines, maybe 4 or 5 lines, just telling them a little bit about the pro membership, and then adding a direct link here of how to apply. But I leave this to you to decide what you want to write, and you just simply copy and paste this then into all the other things. Alright, so I'm going to switch now. So this is where we're logged in, so you can see the inside workings, and this is the template which has been protected. So you'll see these bits of code lying around all over the place, but don't worry, I'm going to explain that in a second. And you see there it goes all the way to the end, and this is a page that's totally not protected. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk you through protecting this page so that you know exactly what you have to do from beginning to end. Okay, so the first thing we have to do, and I'll show you these tags, is this is a message for non-members. So it says it's a bracket, non-member, close bracket, a little text, and then this forward slash is closing it. So you have to just copy this, and when I come to here, just press return a few times and paste it in here. Now, if somebody's not logged in or somebody's not a member, they will always see this text here. So this is great for people you want to either to remind them to sign in, or you want to tell them that, hey, you're not a member, but to get access, this is what you need to do. And you can add as many lines as you want here, so just keep pressing return, write whatever you wish, and that message will come in to non-members. So if I just very quickly update this page, let's see if that did update. Okay, so that's updated. So now we have a non-member message, and if I can just jump back to this one, so this is a protected page, this is the non-protected page. So if I refresh this page, we should see the non-member message there, and then everything else comes underneath. Okay, so now we have the non-member message, which we can customize to whatever we want. What we need to do next is to hide all the text that you only want members to see. So again, we'll go back to here, and I'll go back to the example, and in this you copy this text, which is private, and then the member level, which is gold members. So I just copy that, and I want to protect everything. Do I want to protect the job description? I don't need to detect that, so I want to protect everything from here, and I'll just copy that again and all the way to the end here. So I'd return, put it at the end. Okay, but there's something you have to do on the bottom one. You have to tell it that it ends the private, so you just put a forward slash, and that means everything between those private gold member and forward slash private gold member is now protected. So I update that again, and when I go back and I click refresh, remember this browser is not logged in, so we can see live what's happening, and there you go. It says content protected for gold members, but you see a problem here. It says how to apply, and it tells you the email address of how to apply. The reason for that is you have extra text that is added here on the how to reply, and we can't get rid of this how to apply text because it's just part of the template. So what we do here, I simply do the same thing. I protect this, so I put the private gold members, and then I put it again at the end, but this time I just put a forward slash, and then I update it, and it should Now if I just update this, there we go. It says how to apply content protected for gold members. Now there is another thing we can do here. We protected that because we wanted little parts of the page to be protected, but you can do something else. You can come to the bottom, and it says here content protection. Do you want to protect this content? And if you click yes, then all the page will not be seen. So instead of if I go back here, so instead of even seeing this job description, you can't do it, blah blah blah, here's the link to apply, they will not see the entire page. That's not what you want here. You wanted some text to be shown to non-members, and you want to entice them to click because they can see the job is here. But if you wanted to protect an entire page and you had no intention of showing it to non-members at all, then that is the way you would do it. You would go to content protection, click yes, protect this page, and then you would select which member levels would see the page, which is obviously gold members, and that would protect the whole page. So as soon as they click that page, they'll be sent to another page which says, I'm sorry, you're not eligible for this, you'll have to upgrade. So that protects the entire page but won't show them little snippets like here which entice them to upgrade. Alright, so I hope that's explained something. Let me know if you hear a buzzing or some random noises. It's a bit noisy in the background here. And yeah, I hope that's good. Alright, take care.